Hi, I wanted to showcase some of the new Reverb functionality with respect to visualizations. I've done a search here for Landsat 8 data over April 9th through 13th, 2013. This is when Landsat switched from going pre-operational to operational. We actually in Echo catalog two data sets that cover that time period, the pre-operational and the operational time period. So I've selected these data sets, and now I'm going to look at the granules for these data sets. Now, normally most people are familiar with the list view and potentially even the map view, where you can look at the list of granules and sort them by start time, end time, and the like. But what we've recently added is the ability to look at a timeline view of these data laid out horizontally. So you will see that since I had done an April 9th through 13th data search window, I can actually see where the operational data begins and the pre-operational testing ends right over this time period. So if you're interested in looking at coincident data from several data sets over a specific time period, this timeline view will allow you to do just that. You can also sub-select that and change your temporal constraints based on that. You'll see that these have been updated here. So now I've selected between around 5 in the morning on the 10th till 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. on the 11th, just to cover that one window of time between when the instrument was pre-operational and when it became operational. The other thing I wanted to show was the image view, which is a recent addition. You'll see that both collections that I had selected, both the pre-operational and the operational data, have imagery associated with them. And we can actually explore more in depth each of these by clicking on more granules from this data set and focus in on just the data set that we're interested in. This shows you an array of the images in thumbnail browse view. Each of these images we can look in more detail. We can look at the image zoomed in and also see the start and end time for this data collection. We can look at the information from the metadata that Echo catalogs from this view as well, including all of the specifics of cloud cover and similar information of that metadata right from this image view. We can also add granules to the shopping cart from this view. If I'm only interested in specific ones, I can see right away whether this will have too much cloud cover or is not over the area of my interest. And you can see that this is reflected in the shopping cart above as I add new granules. The shopping cart keeps getting fuller. Anyway, this is a great new way to look at the data within Echo, and I hope you guys give it a try. Thanks a lot.